Hello and welcome to another tutorial with me, Tarot with Anne-Marie. The Queen of Cups is a card of emotional depth, intuition and compassion. She represents the mastery of the element of water, blending empathy, nurturing energy and spiritual insight. The Queen of Cups encourages you to trust your feelings, connect with others and explore your inner world. Let's dive into the symbolism in the Rider-Waite imagery, its astrological associations, and some interpretations. Some general meanings of the Queen of Cups. Well, the Queen of Cups embodies the emotional balance, intuitive understanding, and deep care for others. She's a guide for exploring the heart and the soul, offering love and support to those in need. This card often signifies empathy and compassion, a focus on nurturing and caring for others, intuition and psychic ability, trusting your inner voice and spiritual insights, emotional mastery, balancing emotions while staying open-hearted, creativity and imagination, a connection to the arts, your dreams or spiritual practices, and unconditional love, a reminder of the power of love and kindness in relationships. Queen of Cups is a beacon of emotional strength and spiritual connection, encouraging you to embrace your feelings and intuition. Let's go over some of the imagery in the Rider-Waite card. So the Rider-Waite depiction of the Queen of Cups is serene and introspective. The Queen, seated on a throne, is at the water's edge, symbolizing her close connection to emotions and intuition. Her position shows her ability to engage with emotions without being overwhelmed. The ornate cup, or the cup she's holding, is intricately designed and closed, signifying the mystery of the subconscious and the guarded nature of her emotions. She understands the importance of boundaries while staying compassionate. The water and the shoreline, or the calm sea and flowing water, represent the depth and flow of emotions and the connection between the conscious and the subconscious mind. The throne's carvings, images of mermaids and sea creatures, reflect her deep connection to the mystical and intuitive realms. The Queen's robe and crown, her flowing garments and golden crown, suggests purity, grace, and spiritual wisdom. This imagery highlights the Queen's emotional and spiritual mastery as her role as a compassionate nurturer. Some astrological associations, well, Scorpio and the ruling planets of Pluto and Mars. The Queen of Cups is associated with Scorpio, a fixed water sign, and its ruling planets, Pluto and Mars. This connection highlights the Queen's emotional intensity, her deep intuition, and the transformative power of this card. Scorpios are known for their emotional depth, resilience, and ability to navigate intense and transformative experiences. The Queen of Cups reflects Scorpio's intuitive understanding of emotions and capacity for profound connection and healing. This card embodies the transformative nature of emotional depth and the ability to protect and nurture others through wisdom and insight. If we look at Pluto and Mars as rulers, well, Pluto governs transformation, rebirth, and the exploration of the hidden or subconscious. It aligns with the Queen's ability to delve deeply into emotions and uncover profound truths. And Mars, well, the planet of action and drive, emphasizing the Queen's protective nature and her capacity to act passionately and intensely when emotions or loved ones are at stake. Through this astrological lens, the Queen of Cups represents Scorpio's intuitive, nurturing, and transformative qualities, guided by the powerful energies of Pluto and Mars. She encourages emotional healing and profound connection, while reminding us of the strength that lies in the emotional authenticity and resilience. So you're deep into this tutorial, and maybe you're thinking, this is great. How do I actually make this work in a real reading? Or what do I do when I get stuck? Trust me, you're not alone. That's exactly where so many readers hit a brick wall. And that's why I created my tarot courses at tarotwithannemarie.com. These courses go way beyond the tutorials that I teach here on YouTube. And while my tutorials are packed with valuable insights, we're only skimming the surface of what you really need to know to master tarot readings. For example, when it comes to the court cards like tonight, the ones that trip up most readers, my intermediate and advanced courses dive very deep. I teach you how to interpret them and connect them to your spread and to use them with confidence. I'll show you how. How to take all of the cards and turn them into a meaningful, accurate spread, tailored for your querent. Like this. This is not something I can fully do on a YouTube video. It takes practice, structure, and the right guidance, which you'll find in my courses. If you're ready to take the next step and move from being stuck to confident, check out these courses at tarotwithannemarie.com. You'll get everything you need to become the reader you've always wanted to be. So let's look at some key interpretations. Well, when positive, she's emotionally intuitive. It's a card of trusting your gut feelings and listening to your inner voice. It's a card of compassion and care, offering love and support to yourself or others. Creativity and spirituality. A period of artistic or spiritual inspiration. Healthy boundaries, balancing emotional openness with the need for self-care. Deep connections, strengthening relationships through empathy and understanding. Some negative aspects of this card. One of these is emotional overwhelm, where we struggle to maintain balance or feel consumed by emotions. Codependency, giving too much of yourself in relationships, leads to exhaustion or resentment. Blocked intuition, ignoring or doubting that inner guidance. Manipulation, using emotions to influence or control others. Self-neglect, a reminder to nurture your well-being as much as you care for others. Let's look at some keywords on the screen for Queen of Cups, and I'll be back in a moment. So who is the Queen of Cups in a reading? Well, the Queen of Cups can appear as a person in your life, someone nurturing, empathetic, and intuitive, often providing emotional support or guidance, a healer, an artist, or a spiritual mentor who helps others connect with their emotions or creativity, or someone deeply sensitive who may struggle with maintaining boundaries. Of course, it can be an aspect of yourself, a call to embrace your emotional intelligence and intuitive gifts, a reminder to care for yourself and others with love and kindness, a nudge to trust your instincts and explore your spiritual side. Or this card can relate to a situation where it's time to focus on emotional healing and nurturing connections. It may be an opportunity for creative or spiritual growth, or indeed a moment to approach challenges with compassion and understanding. So the Queen of Cups' calm demeanor and connection to water reflect the mastery of the water element, which governs emotions, intuition, and relationships. The closed cup suggests that she values emotional boundaries, while the water at her feet signifies her ability to navigate the subconscious and spiritual realms. Her serene presence reminds us that true emotional strength comes from balance and self-awareness. How should you read the Queen of Cups? So when interpreting the Queen of Cups, focus on emotional and spiritual connections. Are you nurturing yourself and others? Are you paying attention to your intuition? Consider the element of water, which represents emotions, relationships, and intuition. The context in the spread, or the Queen's position in the spread, will clarify whether she represents a person, an energy, or a specific situation in your life. So the difference between the Queens and the other tarot cards, well, in the court cards, the Queen of Cups represents emotional mastery and nurturing. Pages symbolize exploration. The King governs with authority, and the Knight represents action. If we compare it to the minor arcana, Queen signifies archetypes or energies, while the numbered minor arcana cards focus on just specific events or stages of emotional development. Compared to major arcana, well, the major arcana reflects overarching life themes or spiritual lessons, while the Queen of Cups focuses on personal mastery of emotions and intuition. So the Queen of Cups symbolizes emotional depth, intuition, and transformative compassion. Her association with Scorpio and the ruling planets, Pluto and Mars, highlights her profound emotional intensity, her resilience, and her capacity for deep healing. The Rider-Waite imagery captures her serene and introspective nature, reminding us to explore our inner world while maintaining healthy boundaries. Whether representing a person, a situation, or a mindset, Queen of Cups encourages us to trust that intuition and nurture meaningful connections and embrace emotional authenticity. She also reminds us of the importance of self-care and staying grounded while offering love and support to others. Right, before we wrap up, I want to make sure that you know all about the extra goodies waiting for you on tarotwithanne.com. Alongside my courses, I've got ebooks, free quizzes to sharpen your tarot skills. This is the actual quizzes. And here we've got some ebooks for you and some more. If you're serious about growing as a reader or you just want to explore something new, head over to tarotwithanne.com and check it all out. There's something there for everybody. Thank you so much for spending this time with me today. Remember, your growth as a tarot reader is a journey and every step counts. If you're ready to dive deeper and truly transform your readings, do check out some of the podcasts here on Tarot with Anne-Marie YouTube. Also, you can check out courses. Until next time, happy reading, and I'll see you in the next video.